In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tastytrade in Tradingview. Connecting your broker to Tradingview lets you place trades directly from your charts, which can really streamline your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen without getting lost. First, open Tradingview and head over to your charts. You want to be on the main charting interface, not just the home page or ideas section. If you're on the home page, look for the chart option in the main navigation bar and select it. Once the chart loads, you should see your usual layout: price chart in the middle, watch lists or tools on the sides, and various panels along the bottom. Now, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. It's usually in a tab near other options like Pine Editor or Strategy Tester. Click on the tab labeled Trading Panel. This will open a new section along the bottom of your chart dedicated to broker connections and paper trading. Inside the trading panel, Tradingview might show a few popular brokers by default. To see the full list of available connections, find and click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is important because Tastytrade may not appear in the initial shortened list. Once you click it, the panel will expand to display all supported broker integrations. Next, scroll through the list and look for Tastytrade. You can either browse manually or use the search bar if one is available in your version of Tradingview. Typing the name directly can save time and help you avoid missing it. When you see Tastytrade in the list, take a moment to confirm it's the official integration provided by Tradingview. Once you've located it, click on Tastytrade to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a login or authorization window where you'll be asked to connect your brokerage account. Here, simply follow the prompts on screen. Make sure your login details are entered securely and that you're on the official Tradingview and Tastytrade pages. After you complete the authorization, Tradingview should confirm that the connection is successful. From that point on, your Tastytrade account will be available directly in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place and manage trades right from your charts using that connection.